bumper has a crack. You see the airbag warning present. White color paint, that's a mystery. Everything works fine. And then if you get an accident, boom, you can just easily die. And you know guys, I like what I see. Okay. What's up, AutoHackers? My name is Andre and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. And today I'm back at this beautiful place, the only place where you can save up to 50% on your next car. And I want to show you something very cool. If you're ready, let's go. Okay, that's the car I wanted to show you today. That's a 2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey is one of my favorite cars, and why I wanted to show it to you, I'm gonna let you know in a bit. So first of all, it has only 31,000 miles. For a 5-year-old car, that's a very decent mileage. Around 6,000 miles per year, 500 miles per month, which is nothing. There are no damages. I don't see any damages outside. Let's see from here. Nothing. Like this H4 Journey. It's actually GT trim, which is very nice. It has leather interior. I'm gonna show you everything. 3.6 liter. It's a powerful one, and that's a very popular crossover. This part is extra. Tested tough, draw tight, max gross trailer 4,000 pounds, which is very good. Some scratches, that's okay. It's a 5-year-old car. Okay, nothing is wrong here. What else can I say? Oh, it's decent shape. Seriously, it's decent shape. Now I see the problematic part. You see the paint, kind of like it's a matte finish. That was repainted. So this car was in very heavy accident. That was purchased like a year ago, last July. And the front of this car was completely fixed and repainted. And I want to see what kind of job they've done and whether it's a good buy or not. The headlight has some fog. This part has damage, but it's okay, it's decent. I can say it's a 5-year-old car, not a big deal. Let's see from the inside. I'm gonna tell you a little more info about it. So let me tell you story about this 2018 Dodge Journey. It was purchased last year for just $2,700 with 25,000 miles. That's amazing deal. It was super cheap. As you see on these pictures, it had very heavy accident, front end accident. So somebody purchased this car, fixed it, and now it's for sale again at Copart for $14,000 buy it now price. I mean, $2,700, you purchase it, you fix it, and then you sell it for $14,000 and you added 6,000 miles. As often I see cars, I call it stage cars. When somebody buys it, cheaply fixes it and put it for auction for only reason to resell it at higher value. I don't think this is the case with this car. Somebody purchased it for themselves, fixed it, and then decided I'm gonna sell it, because there are two things we can learn about this car. It was driven. The first one, it was driven. It was driven for 6,000 miles. That's decent mileage, okay? Somebody really drove it. And then it's actually fixed okay. So far I saw, yeah, the paint is not great, but it's a kind of lower end car, so it's decent. I'm gonna open the hood, of course, I'm gonna check it, but also $14,000. I went to cars.com and I saw the cheapest one right now at $18,000 in the same trim. And trim is nice. It has leather seats. It has very nice music, Alpine sound system, which is very nice. Big screen. The screen is good. Automatic transmission, start and stop button, red stitching, which is good. It's very nice. So I'd say let's start it and see if it's a run and drive condition. Okay, so I'm gonna close down. Okay, so it says press the brake and push the engine start button. Okay, so it started, no problem. Okay. Music is nice. Okay, so far I don't see any warnings besides airbag. So this airbag is intact. I cannot really say if it's empty or not. This been replaced, so the whole central console was replaced. The only thing I'm not sure, like, is there any airbag inside or not? I cannot really check it unless I take it apart. I don't really like this part. I'm not sure why white color paint present here. That's a mystery. You guys know, let me know. The headliner looks decent. I don't think they painted that part. But you see the airbag warning present. So what they might have done, my guess is they replaced the airbag. They did not clean the SRS module. Every time you replace airbags, you need to clean SRS module. They probably not done it. That's the first thing. Second part, they didn't replace any airbags, it's just the cover. So cover number 1, cover number 2, you have empty airbags which is covered, and then if you get an accident, boom, you can just easily die. And how do you check it? I cannot check anything right now. This needs to be done in a body shop. Okay, so the tensioner works. Okay, so tensioner works. It's good. Okay, so they've done this part. This tensioner also works. Let's do test. I put it in D. It drives. Put it in reverse. Okay, the camera works. Let's see if the sensor works. Yep, sensor works. That's good. So run and drive test passed. Nice options. It has heated seats, heated steering wheel. This is pretty good. Heated passenger seat, also pretty nice. Climate control. Media, no problems. There is a CD media part. Let's go check the back seats. Ooh, really like this red stitching. Very nice, very nice. The second row, good condition. There is 115 volts AC, 150 watts, so you can plug your iPad here. Ooh, what is that? 2018 Dodge Journey US kit. That's books, guys. Wow, that's very nice. You can also control the AC unit here, make it cold, warm, very nice. That's a very nice car for the money you pay. Let me open this up. Third row seat is a big part of this car, Dodge Journey, so that's how it goes. Okay, so that's the weather tag, which is nice, and that's the third row seat. Boom, you have it. Of course, it's mostly for kids, but having option to have a third row seat in an SUV, that's pretty good. This car was extremely popular when I shipped it overseas because of three things. First thing, great price, you can buy it super cheap. Second part, 3-row seats, so you can take your kids on a road trip. Very cool. Or you have a big family, that's great. And third, it's great MPG. Therefore, price, miles per gallon, and actually what you get for the money is unbeatable. That's why we have Dodge Journey, and it's extremely popular. And it's super hot here, so pardon me, but I really like it. So far what I see here is pretty decent. It's pretty decent. I'm just gonna open up the hood and see what's wrong there, but if it's been fixed well, it's a great car to purchase, not for $14,000, but for example, $10,000, and you save over 50% on the car, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, let's open it up. Oops. So weather tags, I'm not sure why they're beige color, because the whole car is black. Okay, no tools, no jack. that part, you just buy that yourself. But this is decent. Everything is good. I like everything about the car. So let's open the hood. And you get one key that comes with the car. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm just gonna open it up. Okie dokie. And you know guys, I like what I see. I really like it. Somebody done pretty good job. Okay. I expect lots of things broken here, but not really. Fuses all there. Let me see, something is wrong, if I can find it. Some damages I can see right there. Yeah, some damages. I see it. The frame was fixed. Is it straight? Yeah, the job is not that great, guys. Looks like it's been done in garage, but it's way much better than I've seen in a lot of other cars. Let me go underneath of it. You know guys, I actually like what I see. It's not the best repairs done, but it's pretty decent. That's the paint. So they've been repainted this part, and I know it's sprayed over, which is okay. Some damages here. So this part being fixed. It was blended to that part. I would polish it out. I don't think they did any polishing on that part, but you know, not bad guys, not bad. Besides that part that you can see it has a visible damage, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Bumper has a crack, so I think they've got a used bumper and they just fixed it and repainted it. What about the tires? Firestone, which is the best bang for your buck. Firestone as well. Paint job on this end is much better. This is a custom liner they've done. That's not the original part. You can easily replace it. It's not gonna cost much money, but you can put original one. This one is not original. They cut it from something. Okay, let me see on the other side. Same. They actually screwed this one up right here. Let me find, yeah. That's not original. They've done it themselves. Firestone tires, which is a good thread. Good thread on the back, Firestone as well. Since I'm already here and I'm inspecting this vehicle, I want to check if the headlights work. So let's start it. Starts good. Turn the lights and let's go see it. Okay, tail lights work. It's LED. This one works. Let's see the front. This one works and this one works. Everything works fine. Okay, that's it. I'm done with this inspection. I actually like this car. It's been fixed, rebuilt, certificate, starts, drives, decent repairs. The only thing I'm not sure about the airbags. And taking everything in consideration, I think the great price for this car would be $8,000, which is $8,000 cheaper. And you get decent car. I really like it. That's it for the day. Thank you very much for joining me during this inspection of this 2018 Dodge Journey. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because I drop new episode every Sunday. And I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.